morning. I'm tired. It's like 9. I wake up pretty late now just because I can. Wake up like 8:39 depending on the day. I took the last week half kind of easy, just like working on my mental health and stuff, just because it's actually really difficult, and I'm sure a lot of people are struggling, and I'm sure I'm gonna get shit for struggling with it, but I was like fine the first 2 weeks, and then the last 2 weeks have been kind of difficult, and then now we're in week 5 and I feel like a little bit better about the situation and how to handle it. So I really was just like meditating and reading and like kind of just like taking care of myself the last 2 weeks, which was nice. I feel like I don't do that ever properly, but today we're back. I worked out last night for the first time in all of quarantine. And today is actually kind of a busy day, so I might do a day in the life today, or I might do the week. I'm not really sure. I just FaceTime with my mom and drinking coffee number 2, and then I'm gonna shower. Okay, I just filmed a video on how to get my beachy waves, did my makeup, got ready today, so that's very rare, and now I'm going to eat, maybe, and I'm going to probably film a TikTok now. That's how today's going. Okay, so I'm gonna make lunch, not really lunch, it's like breakfast, because I'll probably eat 2 more times today. I'm just making everything bagel with tuna. I've been making this a lot throughout quarantine. It's just really good. I'm gonna do another what I eat in a day, but might as well just show you what I'm eating today as well. Everything bagel from Bagel House. Cutting it. And I just bought a bunch of bagels from Bagel House, and I keep them in the freezer, and then I take out like 3 at a time for the week. Okay, toaster. Now, while that's toasting, I take a little bowl, I take a can of tuna, I open said can, and then I drain the tuna. And this is the bagel, tuna, and sprouts. Okay, we're trying this Daydream peach ginger drink. Has hemp oil in it. Schisandra? I don't know what any of these things are. It tastes like LaCroix. Like water with someone screaming the flavor in the other room. It was just snowing. I was just on a call for a while, and now I'm eating chips. And then I was gonna go to the office today, film a video, but it's now like 5:30, so I'm not gonna do that. I also I've only had that bagel today. I don't know what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Oh, I get Good Food. Well, I've been getting Good Food because I had like a promo code for them. And it's been pretty good. I used to use HelloFresh, just trying out a different one. So I think it's a salad tonight. Day's kind of done. I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow too, so you have like a 2-day. I don't think this was super eventful. Good morning. I've had coffee, I've done my morning routine you guys saw yesterday. I've decided to make this video into like a week or like a few days because I was kind of just like sitting on the computer doing work yesterday. So I'm gonna get ready. I have my quarantine makeup routine on my channel if you want to see that. This is my first time leaving the house in over 2 weeks maybe. So we're gonna do everything that we need to do. I need to get groceries. I'm like literally, we have no food left. So I'm gonna do a grocery run, and we're gonna go to the office and check that the office hasn't been broken into or anything like that. And then I'm gonna also film a video on there, because why not? Because I'll be there anyway. So that's today. I'm going inside for the first time. What a day. Getting emails from your accountant. So great. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some lipstick on because I have a FaceTime interview with a magazine, and then so I'm gonna run over the questions. This camera loses its autofocus so quickly. So I'm gonna run over the questions. I'm gonna do the FaceTime interview, and I have to email back my accountant because they just emailed me and it's tax season. We have to have someone go to the office once a week to make sure everything's fine, no one's broken in, send orders. So I'm gonna do that, and then while I'm there, I was gonna film a video. This is from Amazon. This is from Lululemon. This is my computer. We're still missing an O. All right, finished my interview, and then I just emailed back my accountant because we're trying to close my books for 2019. Got some receipts to upload. My least favorite activity. I'm gonna make another coffee and then we're gonna go to the office. Filmed, orders are packed, got all the office stuff done. There was a bunch of boxes like sitting outside of our door, so I brought those in because no one had been there in so long. Brought the boxes in, packed the orders, filmed the video, FaceTime Sharon while I was there, and then now I am heading home because that's what we do now. All right, home now. I am gonna start editing the video. I got a snack I did takeout at Wilbur because I'm trying to support local restaurants because I know that restaurants are really going through right now. Especially the ones that are like fully closed, they still have to pay rent even though they are fully closed, which is so brutal. But Wilbur, which is a local taco spot near my place, is doing takeout. You order on your phone and then you just grab a bag. So I did that because I want to still support local businesses. I did that on my way home, and now I'm home. I'm gonna edit my video because I want to get that up ASAP. I have a few other videos to edit, but I think I'm just gonna wait and do that tomorrow, and then I'm gonna cook dinner. I might work out, I might not, I don't really know. Probably not gonna work out tonight, to be honest. Probably work out tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do like a TikTok, IG video kind of day. I just realized you can't watch me edit because the memory card I need to edit is in the camera that I'm vlogging on. So BRB, but this is how I'll look when I'm editing. Probably like this actually. Good morning, y'all. It's actually afternoon. Today has been a day. A lot of tears. Running a company is very hard, especially right now. Like, oh man, it's just probably one of the hardest thing I'm ever gonna do. It's so difficult to not just like build a company, but like build a company during the pandemic. It's really stressful. So a lot of tears this morning, a lot of FaceTime meetings with Sharon and stuff. But anyway, we are, you know, we're back. I had a smoothie, I had some coffee, and now, as you guys can tell, I sit on the floor a lot while I'm working, but I'm just doing my spring outfits. I am setting a premiere actually, and I'm gonna premiere it at 3:30 today, which is fun. 3:30 p.m. So I'm setting it as a premiere. Doing that, and then I'm maybe gonna make some TikTok content. Might just take it easy because today's obviously been very emotional. But I also have a meeting with, a Zoom meeting with Uncle too. We always do them on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but yesterday, because I was filming, we're doing it today. So, oh guys, this is honestly crazy. It's like such a roller coaster of emotions. I feel like some days I'm like so upbeat and I feel good and I'm like, let's work, let's create content, and then some days I'm just like so down and stressed, and like it's tough. It's really tough. So if you're feeling like that, I feel you. It's like you got to take it day by day, and every day is so different. All right, just been working on the computer all day. I'm actually having another coffee. It's my third one, but I made like a hazelnut coffee. Delicious. I wanted to show you some fun things that I got around my house. Apartment tour is coming soon. I just am waiting for 2 pieces of furniture. First off, I got these fun coasters from Anthropologie. They're kind of all different, but I really like them. Kind of neutral. I got this ashtray from Make Moves Vintage, which is really cool. Like, I like the way that it sits. It's kind of like on this angle. This is my new collage wall. And this shelf is from Anthropologie. These are from, you get these when you fly KLM and you fly first class. So I have some of those, and then Sasha got me this one. It has, you put a little candle in it, which is cute. And then I got this little lady from Make Moves as well, but I like this wall a lot. And I think I'm gonna put a really cool accent chair thing there. And then what we're doing right now is I'm putting up these hooks. I got these from Anthropologie as well. They're just silver and copper, because there's mostly silver in these bathrooms, and since I don't own this place, I'm not gonna redo the bathrooms. So I just got silver hooks. I would ideally like gold, but it is what it is. And these are just for towels. This isn't the guest bathroom. My guest bathroom is obviously a bit of a mess right now, but whatever. I use it to get ready. I'm not having any guests over, so it doesn't matter. But I ended up putting up a lot of my paintings. This one's obviously my cousin. And then my front area is like getting there, but a lot of the stuff has to go. Like that garbage bag has to go. So we did this. This is from CB2. This mirror is from Target, so that will look good. And then we're gonna put 3 hooks there. On my little couch thing, bench thing, I put some pillows and a little throw. But again, I need to like take out all this stuff. But yeah, apartment tour will be coming soon. Happy Saturday. It's like 1:30. I just got out of bed and showered. I'm making a coffee. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. I thought I would do today too, because why not? Let's vlog. I'm actually gonna do some work today because yesterday was like kind of a down day emotionally, whatever. And then, oh, what I was gonna say was last night, you saw I was working out, and then like halfway through my workout, I started to feel really sick. Like my head really hurt and my stomach really hurt. So I just stopped working out. And then I had a house party with my girlfriends, which was fun. But yeah, I don't know, I just felt really ill, so I just stopped working out. But I'll work out again today. But yeah, I was thinking I was going to film some stuff today and get ready. Why not? I mean, I feel like all the days just mush together now. I might film some TikToks, stuff I didn't do yesterday. So right now, having a coffee. I think I'm gonna online shop for a little, and then I'm gonna meditate, and I'm gonna film some stuff. This is honestly so crazy. Like, it's just, we're going into week 6. I know some people are going in to like week 7 or 8 or, you know, whatever, but it's just wild. Like, I never thought, I don't know if I've said this, I just never thought this would really happen. I feel like I'm fine. Obviously it's like every day is different, But I have some good videos on my list that I want to do, specifically like how to manage like anxiety and depression right now, because I feel like mental health is something that we really need to take care of right now. And I have like 6 kind of things that I've been doing. I might film that video today. Okay, so I just took some photos in this sweatsuit. Sweatsuit's Mr. Saturday. Supporting exes, because you don't have to have a toxic relationship with your ex and you can still want them to do well even though you're not together. I'm making lunch / breakfast. It's 3 p.m. I'm gonna make something that I made a lot throughout quarantine, and also like I made a lot before quarantine. Tuna in that bowl. I take mayonnaise. And then I take, should probably get a cutting board. Little knife. Okay, so I just take a little chive and I cut it up. I'm toasting an everything bagel. And then I take the chives and I put them in the tuna. Put bagel on plate. I take salt. This is just a kosher sea salt. You move pepper. And I put pepper on here. And then I mush it up with a fork. You could put honestly anything in here though. I've put pickles in here. I've put relish, like however you want to make the tuna. Just anytime. Just don't want to hear that I'm not vegan, because I know I'm not vegan, so. And also a lot of people think mayo is dairy. It is not, it's made with eggs, but vegan mayo is also really good. I just don't have any right now. Okay, done. And then I put the tuna on the bagel. My favorite. And then I take alfalfa sprouts, which are honestly like some of my, I just love alfalfa sprouts. And I just put it on top. And that is something that I eat, I would say 3 times a week in quarantine. And then I also have some leftover tuna here, which I'll just eat out of the bowl. I usually make this for breakfast.
All together now, it's like fucking Phoebe and Joe. Close.
Je m'appelle Blue.
Je m'appelle Je m'appelle.
Thank you for my Hebrew lesson today.
We're not done yet.
That's all
I think I'm screen recording this.
I'm also recording this.
No.
Yeah, look.
No. I FaceTimed you last week and you didn't even acknowledge.
I know. I saw it like a few hours later and then I just pretended that it didn't happen.
So today didn't really happen, huh?
I don't think the last 5 weeks have happened. Okay, well I'm gonna go back to watching Keeping Up now. Alright, I filmed a video, which will be up before this video. It's my like anxiety video. And now I'm gonna cook and have dinner and chill. So yeah, I will talk to you later. Thanks for coming to my vlog. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Love you all. Peace and love.